So, children, let's learn grammar today. As you all know, in class 10, some of the topics in grammar are deleted. So, let's learn what are the topics that are deleted. Number one, use of passive voice. Number two, clauses, noun, adverb clauses of condition and time and relative clauses. Three, prepositions. So, these are your deleted topics in grammar. So, what do you require in grammar now? And your grammar questions will be based on the following topics: tenses, modals, subject verb concord means subject and verb agreement. We talk about agreement here, subject and verb agreement. Then reported speech, and here you will require commands and request, statements, questions, and determiners. So you will get 10 multiple choice questions out of 12. You need to answer 10 out of 12 questions from the above topics that I have mentioned here. Today I'll give you a brief introduction to determiners. Among all the topics, we'll just talk about determiners today, okay? So what are determiners? Determiners are words that determine. Now what do they determine? They determine whether the noun is singular or plural or countable or uncountable. So they have a very major role to play. Now let's understand and look if you can identify determiners, how they look like. There are different kinds of determiners. Now let's look at the various kinds of determiners to identify them. The first kind is the predeterminers, like all, of, half, and so on. Then you have articles a and the. Then demonstratives like these, that, those. Then possessive determiners like my, our, your, his, and so on. And ordinals like second, next, last, etc. Then we have cardinals like 1, 2, 3, 10, etc. And quantifiers, quantity, much, some, no, any, many, enough, and the others mentioned below. Distributive determiners are there like each, every, either, neither. Then you have interrogative determiners like what, which, whose. And remember, they all are placed before nouns. Now let's do a small exercise on determiners in MCQ format. Number 1, give me dash money I owe you. Now what would be the right answer here? Give me the money I owe you. Now you can find out which kind is the belongs to. What is the kind of this determiner? Number 2, I want dash boat which would take me to the island. I want the boat, and boat, those, or a. So we all know it should be a boat. So it's the right answer is a boat. Number 3, there is dash university near my house. There is the university. It is not going to be right one, not and, because it is not a vowel sound, and it will be the right answer, obviously not all. Then I love those dress, no, it is wrong. These dress, no, it's plural, no, it's wrong. That dress, demonstrative determiner, so it is the correct answer. Could you pour me many water? No, it is not countable noun. So few water, again, it's not a countable noun. These, no, it cannot be these because it is uncountable noun. So can you give me some water is the correct answer. So children, I hope you all had got an idea about determiner today, and let me know your queries regarding it, and we'll talk more on determiners in the next coming class. Okay, bye bye.